All right, let's talk about one of the wildest towers ever built, Capital Gate in Abu Dhabi. You might know it as the Leaning Tower of Abu Dhabi, but get this, it actually leans a full 18 degrees to the west. That's over 4 times the tilt of Pisa's famous tower. And yes, it holds a Guinness World Record for it. Designed by RMJM, Capital Gate rockets up 160 meters over 35 floors. It's wrapped in a sleek deconstructivist style that's all about breaking the rules and making your jaw drop. But how do you keep a building from tipping over when it leans like that? Here's where the engineering magic kicks in. The base is a monster, 2 meters thick of solid concrete. It rests on 490 piles drilled up to 30 meters deep. These piles handle wind, they handle gravity, and they handle the crazy tilt, like the structural world's powerlifter. Now the real trick is the core. The central concrete spine was poured with 15,000 cubic meters of reinforced concrete and 10,000 tons of steel. It was built with a lean in the opposite direction. As each floor in that wild steel diagrid went up, gravity gradually pulled the core upright. Think of it like a reverse slingshot, straightening itself as the building grows. Speaking of the diagrid, Capital Gate uses two: an external steel lattice that defines its silhouette, and an internal diagrid linked with clever pin joints. Together, they remove internal columns, freeing wide-open floor plans and reducing steel. You'll see the same trick on London's Gherkin and New York's Hearst Tower. The facade? A spiraling diamond pattern made from 728 custom glass panels. The glazing keeps the sun out, but the views stay crystal clear. Inside, the lower floors are cutting-edge offices. From level 18 up is the Andaz Capital Gate Hotel. This isn't just luxury, it's a deep dive into Emirati culture. Think Mashrabiya screens, flowing Arabic calligraphy, al-Sadu woven textures, date palm motifs, all woven into fabrics, walls, and art. As you walk in, you're surrounded by local art, soaring ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows. The lobby sits on the 18th floor with a glass art installation. Wood floors, plenty of spots to chill. There's a spa, a cantilevered pool hanging 80 meters above ground, a Mediterranean restaurant, plus loungewear designed by a local fashion star. So, Capital Gate isn't just a record breaker. It's where radical engineering meets bold design and rich Emirati culture. If you want to see what happens when architecture dreams big, this is it.